Hello, I'm Amy. 2021 is almost over. I wish you a good ending and a good beginning with BG Office. Happy New Year.
Hello, I'm Abby from BG Office. Happy New Year. Do not fear the future. Do not regret the past. May all your wishes come true in 2022.
Hello, I am Cici. Happy New Year. BG Office wish your business prosperous.
Hello, I'm Claire from BG Office. Happy New Year with all my friends. I wish you a good business and all the best in the new year.
Hello, I'm Max. Happy New Year. BG Office hope you a brighter future.
Hello, I'm Joey. Happy New Year. The best wishes for you from BG Office.
Hi, I'm Anderson. Happy New Year. BG Office wish you a year full of happiness.
Happy New Year. Welcome to